You know those days when we feel lethargic, especially in the morning when we get out of bed, or randomly feeling tired in the middle of the afternoon? And how about when the foods that we eat tend to cause sensitivity like indigestion, bloating, or discomfort? How about those seasonal allergies that happen usually around fall and springtime? Or when we don't feel like our best selves, like something's off and we're sensitive to things and we feel constantly under the weather. Well, these are some signs that we may be undergoing environmental changes. And I'm talking specifically about the seasons that we go through from summer to fall, winter, and spring, or even in different parts of the world where there's just only dry season and rainy season. Well, in Ayurveda, which is an ancient holistic traditional Indian medicine that has been practiced for more than 5,000 years, we recommend to undergo not only daily practices to sustain wellness, such as dinacharyas, but also seasonal routines. I'm talking specifically about seasonal cleanses that help us to transition from one season to the next during the fall and springtime, at least during those 2 times of the year. Why? Because sometimes when we undergo these changes, our body gets a little bit more challenged in terms of getting adjusted. And then it depends on the person's lifestyle, their diet, their routine, and even their health. I just want to clarify that the Ayurvedic cleanses are not intense fasting, starvation, juicing, or eating raw foods. I've tried those before and I didn't feel much better afterwards. So just be careful what you see on the web. And we recommend to do an Ayurvedic cleanse, at least initially under the guidance of a skilled and trained Ayurvedic health practitioner that has done cleanses before with Ayurvedic doctors and knows what they're doing, because there's definitely very specific steps to ensure that the cleansing process is completed successfully. We actually have a Ayurvedic cleanses with Viva Naturally. I conduct them and I guide each individual every step of the way. We do group cleanses as well as individual cleanses, but I recommend the group cleanses because it's a very unique experience where you get to go through the whole process with other people that are on the same boat. It is very detailed. It is very thorough. We have all of the instructions and details on the website, where it includes the deadline to register because you want to have enough time to prepare for the cleanse, as well as when it starts, when it ends, the benefits of doing it, what happens when we don't cleanse regularly, and everything. So I recommend that you register before the deadline so that you have enough time to prepare. And just to give you a little bit of more insight of what this cleanse is about, I'm going to share first with the 3 phases that we do this entire cleanse. Beginning with phase 1, which is really preparation mode. We start to eliminate processed foods, getting prepared for the core cleansing days and preparing the digestive and elimination so that it is done successfully. Then phase 2 is the actual core cleansing period. It's very specific. Every step, every guideline is undergone and monitored. Then phase 3 is rejuvenation and restoration. So this is when we're prepared to restore vitality for better health. What is included in our Viva Naturally cleanse? First, I do private consultations with each person. This is where we'll look at your current lifestyle, health, and tailor a couple things before the cleanse to ensure that everything goes well. Then you'll receive all of the materials and tools, including recipes, yoga, asanas, meditation, breath work, morning and evening routines, herbal support, and then you'll be added to a group forum, which is only exclusive to the participants of the cleanse, where you get to participate for daily support and then accountability. I also have some bonus add-ons that are available, but then again, all of this is available on our website. So you can see all the details there, including registration and of course, the benefits of what you get out of this cleanse. So I hope this was helpful in understanding what an Ayurvedic cleanse is about, why it's important to do this. And of course, if you have any questions, you can reach out to me directly on Viva Naturally, our Instagram, our Facebook, or email me. I'm happy to answer any questions that you may have, or we can even chat about the cleanse a little bit further. And I hope that you take care of yourself, be well, and I'll talk to you soon.